Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Money Network. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser and in the top section, type down moneynetwork.com and it will get into the Money Network official homepage. And in the top right corner over here, we could see the login option. Click over here, click on the option for the card holders. You can pick anyone which you prefer, as I'm going with the first option. And here we could see the card holder sign in over here. You are required with the user ID and your password. Simply type down your user ID and your password as well. But if you have forgotten your user ID or your password, click over here and it will try to recover you. And if you are the first time user, if you have not enrolled or registered yet, click over here in order to create an one. And after you're done with the both option, click on the sign in over here and then you'll be successfully logged in to your money network. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.